It's coming, and it will be here sooner than you expect. Of course, I'm referring to the upcoming holiday season, when all over the world people will be celebrating numerous holidays. Many of these holidays that are celebrated have some form of a gift-giving tradition, particularly Christmas here in the United States. The exchange of gifts is a big part of the holiday tradition and the holiday spirit. And as blacksmiths, we frequently think, this year I'm going to make all of my gifts. If you're just now starting to think about it, you're probably behind. It's less than 2 months until Christmas. As I make this video, Hanukkah is less than a month away. So if you're planning on making Christmas gifts, it's time to get after it. I'm not going to do anything today. This is just to let you know that over the next probably 6 weeks or so, I'm going to try and present specific gift-giving items for the holiday season. Most of these will not be specific to any one religious holiday or another. Regardless of what holiday you choose to celebrate in your tradition, in your family, in your part of the world, hopefully there will be something here that you find inspiring, and hopefully something that you'll want to make, even if it isn't for giving as a holiday gift. I've already done some of this last year. We started doing some of these things, so there's a playlist for blacksmith gift ideas, and I'll link that right up here in this upper corner, and maybe at the end of this video I'll link it, so you can look at that playlist for some of the things we've already done. I had some ideas last year that I didn't get to do because of my finger injury. I had to put an end to blacksmithing work just as I was really getting into that series of videos. So we're going to pick that up again in the next few weeks. And we're going to do some sleigh bells, some cowbells. We may do some more interesting flower projects. We may revisit bottle openers a little bit. Things that make good gifts. And of course, there's lots of blacksmithing stuff that makes a good gift that I may not think of. So by all means, don't be limited by the things that I present. If you've got ideas, go ahead and make them. Feel free to share your idea down in the comment section. Maybe we can incorporate some of those as part of the videos. We'll try to do some ornaments for your tree if you set up a tree. And just some things that are relatively straightforward and simple to make that might make good gifts. So I'm looking forward to doing some of that. A lot of this stuff is usually fun to make and not real complicated. So this should be a good series of videos. Stick around while we get into the holiday spirit. And we'll start doing that probably in the next video or two. We'll be making some holiday gifts. So get out in your shop and start working on those holiday projects, especially if you're taking them to the local craft show for other people to buy for their gift giving this holiday season. But do so safely, wear your safety glasses, and we'll see you for the next one.